Hi everyone, it's Tracy from Downward Dog Rising. I'm just getting ready to drive 100 miles so I could go teach Pilates. And I want to show you something that I like to do before I get in the car because my shoulders and my neck get really tense driving on the freeway. So if you were to bring your arms sideways and stand up tall against a wall, let your tailbone just lengthen and fall towards the floor. That way you don't overarch your low back. And then as you're standing against the wall, feel like you could press your elbows against the wall. And then you're gonna feel how it opens you up across the front of your shoulders and chest. And you get a nice pectoral muscle stretch in there. Now, without pinching your two shoulder blades together, see if it's possible to slide your arms up along the wall, and then slide them back down again. And you're just gently keeping those elbows open, and only reach to the point where this doesn't happen. Keep the tops of your shoulders intact and down so they don't float up. And you just reach, inhale, exhale, 3, inhale, exhale, 2, and last one, excellent. Then as your arms come down by your sides, just do a couple shoulder rolls. And then reverse. And then take a deep inhale. And then hopefully this helps release some of that tension. Thanks for watching. Peace, everyone. Whoop, I missed.